Want to find your first profitable property? In this video, I break down exactly how to identify a real estate deal that can generate income and build long-term wealth. Finding one good property isn't about luck. It's about knowing what to look for. Most beginners focus on the house, but smart investors focus on the numbers. Here's what matters. First, location. Not just any location. You want an area where people actually want to live. Second, cash flow. Will this property make you money every month or cost you money? If it doesn't pay you, it's not a good deal. Third, price. The deal is made when you buy, not when you sell. And finally, don't overthink it. Most people wait too long and miss opportunities because they're trying to be perfect. But in real estate, progress beats perfection. And that's how you find that one property that can change everything. Subscribe and comment.